Hey there friends, we're checking out this inflatable paddle board. Comes with a nice carry case with a paddle and a pump. Super nice for going out on the lake or wherever you're going. And yeah, just a really easy setup. The bag is very comfortable, has some nice handles on there so you can carry it. Let's check out the bag there. Inflates in a couple minutes and works great. Comes this nice carry case. These super padded backpack straps here, so you can just throw it on your back, go through the jungles, and then hop on your little kayak with a sweet little pump. All right, my friends, thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Don't hurt the doggy!
Not too zooming and you can't see it very well.
Yeah.
Look at all these duckies.
Where are you going?
I think you can use it as like a kayak too. Just sit down and whoa! Almost fell. Look at the balance this guy has. Impressive.